I want so that movie box came in delivery.
Oh. Okay, we got a couple things going on today. First, Uncle Kevin's making guacamole.
Hi, I'm making guacamole.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you want to share your recipe with us? We'll keep tuning in with Uncle Kevin.
First, let's start with avocado.
Oh.
Avocado first.
That's right.
Oh, let's show him the snow. Okay. Oh, and it's snowing today. It's snowing again. It's snowing. Oh, look how pretty. We're getting more snow. Spotted. The female dog. Oh, good girl. Oh, good girl. Okay, come on in. Look how pretty that snow is. Okay, let's go show him the box that was delivered on our front step.
So let's open the smoothie box up to see what the recipes we got
so
in.
something exciting happened today. This is not a smoothie box. Mama decided to try out a new delivery program. This is called Purple Carrot. So this is not a smoothie. This is from Purple Carrot. And it's dinner. In this box is several recipes for dinner. So now we're gonna be cooking dinner for you. Here's the catch. This is all, this is all vegan.
Yeah, let's open it
Because
up.
Mom is trying to go vegan, but I sure as heck don't know what to cook. So this helps make it easy.
Yeah,
It provides the recipe, provides the ingredients, and helps you make healthy vegan meals.
Yeah.
So why don't we open it up? What are you waiting for? Oh, a big boy.
Take it out.
Wow. Here's the recipes. Cannelloni bean burger.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a bean burger.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have a superfood black rice bowl.
Yeah, that was no.
I guess it's just 2 recipes. I wish it was every day. But let's see all the ingredients that they gave us.
No, not 2. This, it's 3.
Wow! Wow!
Yeah.
We got kale. We got baby arugula. Ooh,
Hamburger.
the buns. We got the hamburger buns. Whoa! We got the beans, the lemon.
And we got
This is for the bean burger. Oh, is that chives? Oh, fennel.
fennel.
The ice pack that take up half the bag. Woo. Oh no. We got a sweet potato. Oh, another sweet potato and the stuff for the superfood black rice bowl. Which one should we make? The burger or the rice bowl?
The bird.
The burger. Okay.
So
Bye.
I see you next time. Now turn off the camera.
You got it.
Cut.
Now checking in with Uncle Kevin. Gets all the avocados sliced.
Here comes the tomatoes.
What's next?
What's next? What's next?
Red onion.
Mmm. Do we cut it up or do we eat it?
And cut it up.
And now we do the carrot.
No carrots in the avocado or guacamole. Alright, next is cilantro. Oh, we got some stems in there. Oh no. Oh, we're missing the garlic. We need garlic.
Is that garlic? Is that garlic?
No, garlic is, I think, over in the bowl there.